offer complete in-house laundry units for our end users, offering them the alternative of going outside to a commercial third-party solution. The laundry units is more or less a setup where BeMicron delivers everything for end users to own and fully compliantly operate and also efficiently operate their own cleanroom laundry. Which means they can invest themselves, so they can own the laundry and the production capacity, where then BeMicron comes in, let's say, to support the development of the technical solution, but much more importantly, also BeMicron delivers all the means to allow anybody, even if they have zero knowledge, to simply operate and be compliant in the laundry they have. We do that with a very sophisticated IT platform in which all the technical parts and quality parts are connected and addressed, and which also allows to educate anybody who needs to work in there, and which also holds all the quality standards and procedures you would need to be fully compliant towards international standards like GMP. The laundry as such is not a very complicated technical installation, and with what BeMicron delivers, obviously the consultancy needed to establish a good laundry, full support to operate the laundry, but also towards all the compliancy needed to meet the international standards, is a much cheaper solution and a much more transparent solution than going to third-party commercial laundries. The role of BeMicron starts with more or less a consultative role where BeMicron comes in, supporting the project of establishing the laundry. The laundry more or less needs to be fed by systems, technical systems, which our customers already have. Then, after the laundry physically has been created, BeMicron will take care of bringing it into operation.